Hey, how are you doing today? This is Kareem, a toolbar from GrowCheap, www.grow.cheap. And in this video today, actually, I'm going to show you what is BlueHost and how I can use their services for. So let's say you are having a company and you need to set up a website and email addresses at your company's domain name.com. So the first thing you will need to do actually is to get a web hosting account. And this is where BlueHost comes to play. Actually, BlueHost is a web hosting company that offers a wide variety of services and solutions for your online presence or the online website. For example, if you look at this screen in front of you, so you'll find that Bluehost actually is offering services like WordPress hosting, online stores, design services. These are combined, showing you that Bluehost is a hosting company offering the servers or the place on the internet where you can host your files, folders, databases, and everything to run a website, as well as email addresses at your website. This website could be an online store, could be a corporate website, or could be anything else. So basically, Bluehost again, what is Bluehost? Bluehost is a web hosting company that offers a wide variety of hosting solutions for your online presence, whether it's a corporate website, an online store, email addresses, or anything else, domain names, yourcompany.com. This is a domain name. All these services are serving your online presence. So Bluehost actually is offering a different kind of web hosting solutions that we will talk about in another video. But in this video, we're saying what Bluehost actually is and how to use it for your website. So simply, if you're new to this and just want to start a basic website for your company and you're just starting off, just need a shared hosting account. This is the basic form of web hosting services. This is not a great or a big server. This is not a massive VPS with resources or something like this. This is a basic website hosting account that can host your files and email addresses for your website. And you can leverage this up later on if you want to upgrade to a dedicated hosting or VPS hosting or something like this. But the basic form is the shared hosting. So you will go like this to shared hosting, and you will find actually different plans to serve your website. Depending on the number of websites you want to host on your hosting account, you can choose the most suitable plan actually from the screen in front of you. So, for example, for me, I want to start a company website, and this is a one website, one domain, mycompany.com. So, I'm going to opt in for the first plan, which is the basic plan. So this is real quick. What is Bluehost? What are the services? What is the most basic service you can start up with? And how to start a basic website for your company for as low as 2.95 per month. Thank you very much for watching this video, and just let me know in the comments if you need anything else, or you have any comments or have any questions that you would like need or you need help with. Thank you very much. Have a good day.